Hello there. Hope you are doing very well. Want to rank higher on Google? You have probably heard terms like white hat and black hat SEO. But what do they really mean and which one should you use? Let's break it down in simple terms. In the world of SEO, there are two main paths. One that build long-term success and one another that can destroy your ranking overnight. Think of white hat SEO as the honest rule following approach and black hat SEO as the shortcut that might get you caught. Just like in old Western movies, the good guys wear white hats and the bad guys wear black hat. What is white hat SEO? White hat SEO means using ethical strategies that follow Google guidelines and focus on helping users. That includes creating quality content, optimizing for user experience, building natural backlinks, and making your site fast and mobile friendly. You are writing helpful blog posts, improving navigation, or earning backlinks through valuable content. You are doing white hat SEO. What is black hat SEO? Black hat SEO, on the outer hand, is all about cheating the system. It uses tricks like keyword stuffing, hidden text, paid links, and clocking to manipulate search ranking. Those tactics might give you quick result, but they never last. Once Google delete your site could lose all its ranking or even get completely banned. The key difference. Here a quick comparison. White hat SEO is ethical, user focused, and build long term trust. Black hat SEO is manipulative, risky, and focus only on short term results. White hat equal sustainable growth. Black hat equal quick wins but big losses. The real risk. Using black hat SEO can lead to penalties, loss of visibility, and damage to your brand credibility. Imagine spending months on your website only to have it vanish from Google overnight. That's why every serious SEO expert stay on the white hat path. Now call to action. So if you want to long-term result, build trust and grow sustainability, always choose white hat SEO. It might take more time, builds 100% worth it. Want to learn more about ethical SEO strategies? Hit like, subscribe button and drop comment if you have any other question. Also, if you want to know more about white hat and black hat SEO, then please check the comment. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.